Hi! You want to know how you can make over $15,000 a month? Then watch this short video to the end so you don't miss the very point. Let me tell you about the best top freelancer site that I have been working with for 5 years. I will show you a few secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the top freelancer sites category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Look closely. We are starting.
Guru is a freelance platform that features both individual professionals and teams offering services in 8 main areas. Yes, you need to spend a little time here to learn how the platform works, but Guru is great for freelancers and employers who are ready to work together on long-term projects. One of the advantages of the Guru platform is that employers do not need to pay a commission for posting their project, as well as receive offers directly from freelancers. There is only a small fee here that is charged for processing payments. Employers may be pleased to know that various payment methods are available on the Guru platform besides bank cards and electronic payment systems, for example, checks and transfers. Guru is a very interesting freelance platform aimed at professionals rather than beginners. You will easily notice that the cost of working with Guru is much higher than that of other similar services. But on the other hand, the service provides all the necessary tools and functions to ensure the timely and high-quality implementation of your project. A huge selection of freelancers and a simple search system will allow you to find the most suitable specialist for your task. The Guru service has brought together freelancers from all over the world under its wing. The only drawback here is the financial issue. You will have to fork out for membership. And then in general, it makes no difference whether you treat Guru services with enthusiasm or disgust. This was done in order to make life difficult for users who decided not to pay for using the site for work. Guru is used by people from all over the world. You can find freelancers there from the USA, Europe, Asia and so on. But it's worth noting that performers from China, India and the Philippines are often too persistent but not experienced enough. Many employers do not like this combination. They avoid hiring freelancers from these countries. Each new response to your project can be the beginning of a long and fruitful cooperation here. Guru is a reliable service providing high-quality service to both parties. The Guru service is already more than 100 years old, and this period alone proves that it is a reliable, trustworthy site where you can find freelancers for any project and deal with the implementation of your project without any problems. Unlike other freelance sites, Guru has neither contests nor a complex ranking system based on the artist's experience. The main thing for both clients and performers here is feedback. If you have poor reviews, then you are unlikely to be hired or responded to your project. You can describe projects in any way convenient for you. However, remember that disclosing direct contact information on Guru is prohibited. For this, the account may be closed. Other notable features of Guru include a dedicated time tracking software that allows clients to track the work of a performer hired on an hourly project. Using the Guru website is a sheer pleasure. Everything is simple, clear, convenient until you open the service blog. Here, of course, it would not hurt to take measures and put things in order. Well, at least use tags. A blog is a source of the most important information and it is so difficult to work with it. It doesn't have to be that way. But the search works great. You can easily search for freelancers and projects. The Guru Customer Support Center does not have an online chat or telephone call, but the Answers forum and a detailed FAQ and email system should be enough to help you resolve any issue you might have. Frankly speaking, a section with popular questions and a blog is more than enough to find the answer to your question, even if you are on the internet for the second time in your life. If you hit the network for the first time, then the corresponding section of the service forum will help you. Unless you are proficient in mathematics at a professional level, then it will be quite difficult for you to understand all these service fees, which will be deducted from all your payments, all the time. There are 3 types of monthly billing accounts and it all depends on what industry you are in. When paying in bulk, a 20% discount is available. Payment processor, verified bank card or PayPal. Payment protection, a special Guru system where you need to register separately and be verified. Payment disputes, mediation and arbitration are only available to users who have registered with SafePay, have tried to resolve the dispute on their own, and have more than $25 at stake. The fee depends on the type of your subscription and the level of activity and reviews on Guru. So you will pay 2.95% for each transaction plus 4.5% and 11.95% for a monitored transaction. This system of interest can be tricky to grasp, but the FAQ section explains everything in detail.